Alright, so we got this money roll machine I'm gonna play. I like this game. I think we'll just play, we'll play max. So that should give us a chance to actually double. Okay, good start. Okay, not so good in the middle. Maybe get the free spins, that'd be fun. The people watching back home. Do it. No. Okay, no free spins. Let's hoping for free spins. We're the Cosmopolitan. Here in Las Vegas, and trying to win big. We're mostly losing big. We only have 2 more spins left. This video is going to be very short. Last spin. And wow, that's it. We hope we can make one at 140. That's good. That leaves us with 372, so extra 280. Maybe we can get 3 spins, that'd be good. And I'm afraid we're pretty much nothing. Yeah, with 92 cents, so we lose again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so we're doing this Caveman Keno thing one more time at the Cosmopolitan here. Put in $20. We're gonna see if we can double it up. So here we go. We'll bet a credit. Quick pick. And go. One a little bit there. Still trying to hit that elusive 7 out of 8 on this trip, so maybe we can do it live. Good start. It always starts out that way. At this point, it's going to be a short video. If we could hit 6, we could definitely double up. So let's see what we get. All we've been able to do is get our money back. So it's actually a good pay table for this game. 56 and 550. I could use 550 right now. Wouldn't have to hit the ATM today. We're down to $5. We're gonna hit something here pretty soon. And that's gotta be more than one. Using the new camcorder for this, I'm not sure that it's any better for a stationary video like this. It's just about as easy to use the camera, the phone camera. And we are about to go very bad, very fast. Sorry that didn't get to show you a big win here today, but that's why it's called Double or Nothing. And unfortunately today, we got nothing. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.